Hello and welcome. You've demonstrated an interest in learning how YouTube Live works. The question is, if you have a live broadcast, how do you get people to see it? Now, you may already recognize that having someone watch your live stream while also seeing all of the other videos that are going to be available suits the platform well, but may or may not suit your business or organization well. So it's necessary to look at a number of tools that you have at your disposal within YouTube as well as outside of YouTube to get the word out about your live stream. And so in this course, we will go inside of your Creator Studio and we will look at some of those tools that you have available to you so that you will be able to make the most of them and get the maximum number of people watching your live stream. So we'll look at your channel customization tools. We'll also show you how to provide an easy to use subscribe link. We'll also take a look at some of the success factors in making your live stream visible and attractive for others to click on. And we'll take a look at some of the enhancement tools that you can do with your video that will help you to make it more usable and widespread. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video. Welcome back. Now, when you are inside of your live stream, there is one link that you can use in order to share to other places. And that's at the bottom of your right-hand corner. So for example, if you look to the right-hand corner and you click this hyperlink, you can take that link and you can post that to other places. Now, the other link you can share is going to be available to you when you have this setting enabled inside of your live stream, and that is to promote on my channel page when the event is live. That means then that if you're sharing your channel page, the individual will be able to watch your live stream on this page. Now, the link that you are going to share that will be permanent will be your channel link and the word live after it. So for example, in this case, you'll see the channel name and then you'll see the word live after it. And this is where your visitors will be able to come whenever you have a live stream. And that live stream will be playing here on your front page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, another thing that you can do when you are doing a live event is you can embed the link on one of your web pages. So for example, if we were to take another live event and we were to create one from YouTube Live here, and we were to start the live event, our Hangout would start and we would be broadcasting live on YouTube Live. We can go inside of our page by clicking this edit button, and we can then click view on watch page. And you'll notice then that our stream is live here. And what we would do then is we would then go to the share button. We would then click the embed button. We can then take care of the embed options, grab the code, and then head to our website. And of course, we're just using WordPress as an example. You can use the site builder that you find most helpful. We're going to put in our code after a center code. Once we have it, we're then going to click publish. And then we'll view our post here. Now, you need to give the individuals instruction to click this button. But as soon as they did, they would then be watching our stream live as it happened. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, when you are doing your live broadcast, you're going to be able to come to this area where your link is. You're going to be able to grab that link. Now, this link will embed the stream inside of your social media accounts. And you'll want to do this in a certain way for Facebook in particular. Now, assuming that you have a group or a page, one way to do this would be to create a Facebook event. And we're just going to click the create button. We're then going to find that event inside of our page. You'll notice then that there is a comment area. So what you can do is you can take your link and you're going to post it as a comment. And you're going to click OK. And what you're going to see is that you then have a preview. You want to instruct people to click the preview, and they'll then be able to watch your live stream. Now, it won't be enabled for sound by default. They'll need to enable the sound, so you may want to give them instruction to do that. They will also be able to embed the stream on LinkedIn in the very same way, but this will be in their status. Now, by posting to Twitter, all you'll have is your direct link. So they'll be clicking this link, but they'll actually be taking the path back to YouTube Live. So this will not be an embedded stream. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, another thing you can do is you can post an excerpt of your live stream once the recording has been completed to your social media sites. Now, obviously, the social media sites favor those videos that are native to their platform and those that you upload directly. So what you're going to do is you're going to go inside of your Creator Studio. Once you get inside of your Creator Studio, you're then going to look for the video that you want to post an excerpt of. You'll then need to go inside of your Video Manager. Once you get to your Video Manager, what you're going to do is you're going to go to this drop-down arrow. You're then going to click Download MP4. So in the case of Facebook, you'll just click the Add Photo or Video button. You'll select the video. You'll write in your commentary, and then you'll click Post. In the case of LinkedIn, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Post area. You're then going to click Share Videos. You'll then grab your video, and then you'll click Upload. You'll write in your commentary, and then you'll click Post. In terms of Twitter, what you're going to do is